What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I'll Come Back to You by Powfu. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. It's got a few different chords that essentially just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Now this song is simply just verse and chorus. The verses are the same, the choruses are the same. The chord progression for your verse is going to be G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3, middle finger 3rd fret on the low E, index finger 2nd fret A string, middle finger 3rd fret B string, and pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. Then you're gonna go to this D F sharp chord. You're leaving your pinky and your ring finger where they're at. Take your middle finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the G string. Put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the low E. And then finally, this variation of an E minor, bring your middle finger and your index finger in on the A and the D string. So your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the A and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the D. Strumming pattern for the verse is going to be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Progression for your chorus is going to be a C add 9. It's the same thing as your G. You're just moving your fingers down one string each, where your middle finger is on the 3rd fret of the A and your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the D. Then you're going to go B minor, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger starting on the A string, ring finger 3rd fret on the D, pinky finger 3rd fret on the G, middle finger, or 4th fret, ring finger on the D, 4th fret, pinky finger on the G, and 3rd fret, middle finger on the B. Then it goes G major, D F sharp, E minor, C add 9, and then it ends on a regular D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2, index finger on the 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret B, middle finger 2nd fret high E. Strumming pattern for your chorus is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist, and the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then, once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free, brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.